order to take solemnity of this occasion, I would like to request the rest of the assembly to please rise and let us witness the oath-taking ceremonies of the new certified public accountants. Okay, new certified public accountants, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ako si, banggitin ang pangalan, ng banggitin ang tirahan, ay taimtim na nanunumpa, na itataguyod ko at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas, na ako'y tunay na mananalig at tatalima rito na susundin ko ang mga batas, mga utos na legal at mga atas na ipahayag ng mga sadyang itinakdang may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas at kusa kong babalikatin ang pananagutang ito nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Taimtim pa rin akong nanunumpa na sa lahat ng panahon at buok na kinalalagyan ay mahigpit akong manghahawakan sa mga etikal at tuntuning professional ng mga certified public accountants ng Pilipinas at matapat kong gagampanan ng buong husay sa abot ng aking makakaya ang mga tungkulin at panagutang iniatang sa isang itinakdang certified public accountant. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you, Chairman Iñanola, and congratulations to our new CPAs. At this juncture, may we call on honor.
As a certified public accountant, I shall comply to the following principles of my profession. I shall be straightforward and honest in all my professional and business relationships. I shall not allow bias, conflict of interest, or undue influence of others to override my professional or business judgment. I shall maintain professional knowledge and skill at the level required to ensure that my client or employer receive competent professional services based on current developments in practice, legislation, and techniques. I shall act diligently and in accordance with applicable technical and professional standards. I shall respect the confidentiality of information acquired as a result of my professional and business relationship. I shall not disclose any such information to third parties without proper and specific authority unless there is a legal or professional right or duty to disclose. I shall not use information for my personal advantage or those of third parties. I shall actively lead, participate, and promote the programs and activities of my professional organization. I shall comply with relevant laws and legislations obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation nor for purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Thank you. Yung pangalan? Yamang tinanggap na kagawad ng Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Ay mataimtim na nanunumpa na aking buong pusong tatangkilikin at tutuparin ang kanyang saligang batas at mga alituntunin na ako'y masiglang lalahok sa kanyang mga gawain at ipagtatanggol ang mga adhikain at simulain na dahil sa mga ito nilikha ang Institute na ipinapataw ko ang pananagutan ito sa aking sarili ng kusang loob at walang pagkakamali o pasubali ng isipan. Tulungan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations at mabuhay kayong lahat. Welcome to PIPA.